Hey, so I've got a customer that's got having an issue with a Dodge pickup, and we kind of found a possible solution, and I just want to let you know what we found out and kind of how it works. He's got a 2011 Dodge Ram. This is a Ram 1500 with a 4.7 V8 in it, automatic two-wheel drive. So if you got a truck like that or similar, you could be having this issue. There was an issue that was recalled by Dodge Chrysler related to the fuel pump relay. There was just a couple of vehicles they recalled and did basically a external fuel pump relay to solve this problem. Issue is, on a lot of the vehicles they did not do the recall, so you've got these other vehicles running around that are having this issue that Dodge and Chrysler did not take care of. Had a couple people look at this truck, had a hard time kind of figuring out. It appeared to be an electrical issue. The thing will either sometimes is a hard to start or hard to crank. We'll just sit there and spin. Basically, the truck acts like it's not getting fuel. Fuel pump appears to be working perfectly when it works. So that's kind of what led us to looking into this possible issue. Just kind of narrowing down to something with the fuel pump. Did a little research online and came up with a product that we're going to try, and we'll see how it works. Let me show you what this is that we ordered. Okay, so this is the kit that we ordered for this 2011 Dodge Ram from a company called Vertical Visions. You can go to their website, verticalvisions.com, and get quite a bit of information about this kit and a few other products that they offer. Now I've got two full kits here. The reason I did that is I did not have the truck here at the store with me. The reason I did is they offer two different connections here as far as size, and I wasn't 100% sure. This was kind of an issue with time, so I went ahead and got both kits, and I'll either send one back, or these really were not that expensive. So and this is something we're just kind of trying to do. Basically what this kit is, bypasses the fuel pump relay. This particular one gives you a testing option. Each one of these have got a alligator clip with a ground plug on it, and a little LED light that'll give you some information for testing purposes. When you're done with testing, then they've got this set up to where you can pull that right apart there and just have your bypass plugged into the fuse box. And like I say, the way this is set up, it's just set up to plug in to the fuse box. They actually give you a full brochure here that's got, let me open this up. It's got some information, shows you the diagram of the fuse box, gives you a bunch of written, detailed information, some testing options, and then an FAQ in the back. If you're having some issues, you can do some, it'll give you some options there and things to look for. So we're going to try this out. I think the truck's coming in today. I'm actually just going to try to do it here at the store because it really shouldn't take more than a few minutes to plug in and check out. We'll see how it works. I'll let you know. Okay, so this is what you got. This is your fuse box on the 2011 Ram 1500 with a 4.7 in it. This is what we're looking at on this one. I've already removed the two fuses it wants you to remove, 10 and 20. They're out of this location here and this one. And then we're going to plug the harness in. Okay, so now this is what it looks like with the harness plugged in. You get it plugged in here. This is your lead going out to your tester, which I've got set over here to a ground. What you'll do is go in and turn the key on. If you get this illuminated green, and your fuel pump is working properly.